तो अभिषेक जब पैदा हुआ था उस टाइम की कोई स्टोरीज है? कल तुम्हारे लिए 9 टाइप का वेज फूड बनेगा। ओ माय गॉड। So, hello guys, welcome to Addictive Tadka channel. Today you might be thinking why I am here, because tomorrow is our vlogger's birthday. Officially from a Bengali calendar, I would say it is today. Like he says usually people wish him today, but on records it's tomorrow. In the morning when I woke up, so he requested, Nika, can you please create my vlog? So basically he wants to chill and he wants his content to be created. So today I'm taking the charge of taking his vlogs. You would be thinking, who am I, first of all? Because I've never been in his videos. At few videos probably I would have been, where there were the scenes that were shot for tea. I love tea. You can put tea in my veins. I am actually someone who is behind the scenes. The one who holds the camera, the one who scolds him, the one who gets irritated while he travels because he's always busy shooting the vlogs. So I'm Purnika. Throughout the day I'll be showing you a lot of stuff about this vlogger that is captured or that is stored somewhere in the room. First of all, I would like to tell something about him is I've known him for like last decade now. 2010-14 we were in the same branch. Unfortunately, he was just there in my class. I was a part of many cultural activities. I used to take part in a lot of activities. I used to talk to many people, but there was no such instance where he and I were in the same competition. He was just in the brand, so probably his friends used to talk to me. Probably in the third year or so, competition in our college, which was director's cut. He wanted a girl from the girls' hostel to be a part of his movie, and he was kind of shy in asking about. So that time I was not like this. So I was kind of tomboyish. So if there was any requirement from the girls' hostel, probably I was the one who people would feel very comfortable to talk. They approached me and then they started asking about, okay, Purnika, can you please help me out with any girl who can be a part of my movie? So that time we talked a lot. So another reason why I usually don't come in front of the camera is because I have a lot of stories to speak. I mean, I can continuously speak for like 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour. I think so. There are few of my friends who tolerated me for that. Dishan is there, Shaista, Abhishek, then Pallavi Sathe. They have been people who have had a conversation with me for like 5, 6 hours, 7 hours at a stretch also. So whenever I talk, I have a lot of stories to say. So sometimes I feel like I fear that if I speak and there's some content which comes under confidentiality or something, or there's something which I don't know that it's inappropriate, and if I put it on the video, so then they'll be requested, oh Purnika, ye क्यों डाला, oh Purnika, वो क्यों डाला, Purnika, अरे ये हटा दो, यहाँ मैं ऐसा दिख रहा हूँ, ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए. So just keeping things out of it, I usually don't come much because I'm like, I talk uncensored. So then we had a lot of conversation. Then we spent time together for a week, for a 2 week when he was doing his shoots and all there. That time, to my surprise, I realized that we have been in Jamshedpur for like 3 years and he has not visited. There are only limited places to visit in Jamshedpur. If you see, there is Sachi, then there is Bistupur area, then there is Jubilee Park area. That time it was Ilex Movie Hall. Then you have Dibna Lake, and then there are few restaurants. I realized that he was so busy with his games and all. He was always inside his hostel that he has never ever stepped out in the city for any, for hanging out or for traveling. It was just games. So I realized being in the place for 3-4 years, and he didn't visit few of the places that are present in Jamshedpur. So why it was, because probably he was staying in Ranchi, and you know there are people who sometimes misunderstand the importance of the places that are available near to your house, and you feel like okay पास में ये है, देख लेंगे एंड पता चलता है कि आपने सारी जगह देख ली है और जो आपके घर के पास की जगह वो आप कभी नहीं गए. सेम थिंग हैज हैपेंड विद मी. आई स्टेड इन देहरादून. मसूरी इज नियर बाय, गंगोत्री वाज नियर बाय, जोशीमठ इज नियर बाय, वेयर पीपल स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी to do that Char Dham Yatra, and since the places are near me, I know I can do it in a cheaper mode, but still it took me a long time to visit that place, even though I knew that it's nearer to my place. So probably that happens, that okay, if he's in Ranchi and he would always think that oh, Jamshedpur is nearby only place. So I was like okay, 4th year में तुम लोग को बाहर ले जाऊंगी. So it was Ashu, Amrendra, vlogger, and Abhishek Pandey. 5 o'clock we all would wake up and say, oh Punika, यहाँ चलते हैं, वहाँ चलते हैं, चलो डिमना चलेंगे. Then we'll go to Shimla Point. Shimla Point is actually a tank in our college, but from there the view of Jamshedpur is awesome. Helping me out for any of the activities that I was involved in, because it was final year, I was in council. There were a lot of activities that I had to do. I had to go to shops and buy stuffs, and then there were few arrangements that I have to do. So that time we started becoming friends, and the things like this group was always constant, and it's been constant for last 6 years now. And I pray that it is more. Then I went to Mumbai, so he used to come down to Mumbai. He likes traveling, so I always become a reason for him to travel. So when I was in Mumbai, he would come down to Mumbai. He was there, Adi was there, Ashu was there, and we all three used to hang out. And he rather helped me explore Mumbai, because that time I was in a mode where I always wanted to be on my bed, enjoy, go to our city, have a movie, chill, see a movie, chill, eat and come back. When he used to come, then I would explore Mumbai. And then he was definitely fond of cooking. Obviously being a Bengalis to food is like your body is to soul. Your happiness is food, your sadness is food. Prawns का इसकी शक्ल देख के लग रहा है प्रॉन्स करी बनेगा, और थोड़ा सा प्रॉन्स फ्राई भी बना दूंगी. तो ये अभिषेक व्लॉगर की मम्मी मस्त प्रॉन मलाई करी बना रही है. ये तो हम जैसे वेजिटेरियन को भी टेस्टी लग रहा है. इसकी खुशबू कर रहा है 29. ओह माय गॉड, 1 year less than 30. ओह माय गॉड, जोई टर्निंग 30. कल तुम्हारे लिए 9 टाइप का वेज फूड बनेगा. ओह माय गॉड रोना, 9 टाइप का वेज फूड, इसलिए आज खा लो पूरा नॉन वेज 12 बजे तक. प्रॉन मस्त बन रहा है, खुशबू एकदम मज़ेदार. यहाँ तक आ रहा है खुशबू, आ रहा है ना. मेरे को भी लार आ रही है. आज भैया का व्लॉग हम बना रहे हैं. भैया काम चोरी कर रहे हैं, उसको असिस्टेंट मिल गई है फ्री फंड की. एक्चुअली कीबोर्ड देखने आए. चल कीबोर्ड में वेव बना कीबोर्ड में. जब पैदा हुआ था उस टाइम की कोई स्टोरीज है, मतलब कुछ अलग, कुछ शैतानी?
वो तो 15 अगस्त को ही मैंने हॉस्पिटल में 3 दिन तक हॉस्पिटल में वो रुलाया.
इसी टाइम था जब आपकी नई गाड़ी आई थी ना. नहीं,
मैंने ऊपर से फर्स्ट मेरा कार
इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन आप एडमिट हुई थी.
16 को पियट आया, फिर 17 को
अभिषेक आया.
बीमार बहुत पड़ता था.
तो वो ऐसा होता था कि छोटे पर में ऐसे जैसे कुछ बच्चे होते रोते रहते सोने नहीं देते, या रात भर शांति से सो रहा है, या ऐसी आदत है कि चिपक के रखे रहो तभी सोएगा.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. अच्छा, वो सब नहीं था. लेकिन जब मैंने थोड़ा सा बड़ा हुआ, वो मैंने उसके लिए वो अपने आप लड़ के आ जाता था. उसके लिए उसके तरफ से मुझे कुछ नहीं टेंशन होता. वो अपना सब कुछ अपना देख लेता था.
The strengths of the vlogger, I would say, he has a lot of patience, a lot of patience. Probably I have 0.00001% of him. मेरे को अगर खाना बनाना होगा, मेरे को बेसिक रेसिपी बता दो, मैं बस निपटा दूंगी. but he is something like, even though if you ask him to do one small task, say मेरे को एक बटर मिल्क दे दो या मेरे को एक डोसा दे दो, he'll try to, you know, put a lot of taste into that and serve food to you with utmost perfection. Mold himself in any situation. So with me it's something like I choose people around me, I choose situation around me, but he's something like you can put him in any situation, he'll be very, I mean, he can adapt to that situation, he can adapt to that environment very quickly. How did he come up with vlogging? So with vlogging he came up with something like, स्टार्टिंग में कॉलेज में ये था, अरे मेरे को खाना बनाना है. फिर धीरे धीरे खाने पे आया कि नहीं मेरे को अपना रेस्टोरेंट खोलना है. ठीक है, आई वाज लाइक ओके, रेस्टोरेंट में स्कोप ऑफ वर्क, डू यू वांट टू बी द ओनर ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट, डू यू वांट टू बी द पर्सन हु वांट्स टू कुक फूड, लाइक यू वांट टू बी अ शेफ. नहीं मैं शेफ बनूंगा बट मेरे को रेस्टोरेंट भी चलाना है. आई वाज लाइक ओके, सो आई हैव समथिंग लाइक रेस्टोरेंट एंड अ शेफ. नहीं मेरे को इन्वेस्टमेंट में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मेरे को इन्वेस्टमेंट भी करना है बहुत कुछ. आई वाज लाइक ओके नेक्स्ट. देन अरे मेरे को लेकिन घूमना भी बहुत पसंद है, मेरे को अपना कोडिंग भी बहुत पसंद है. आई वाज लाइक ओके, घूमना, रेस्टोरेंट, शेफ, देयर इज समथिंग दैट यू हैव टू कट, बिकॉज इफ यू हैव अ रेस्टोरेंट, यू हैव अ स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, then it would be very difficult for you to be a dedicated person who travels. So he was like, no, food and traveling. And then suddenly he realized that no, in the college I've created movie many times, and मैंने बहुत सॉफ्टवेयर्स में एडिटिंग की, मैंने बहुत सारी मूवीज़ बनाई ये वो. सो मेरे को मूवीज़ एडिट करना भी अच्छा लगता है. आई लाइक फिल्मिंग. Then once even his mother gave me a hint कि बचपन में जितना भी उसके घर पे कभी भी skit होता था, तो he prefers directing those skits, probably in Janmashtami or something, but he was always a person who used to direct the skit. So I was like okay, movie, food, travel, what else? So he was like कि नहीं बस मेरे को वीडियो वो करना है, मेरे को बहुत सारी स्टोरीज़ है मेरे को शेयर करना है, मेरे को कुक भी करना है, मेरे को अपने कुक भी सबको दिखाना है, मेरे को रेस्टोरेंट्स भी जाने हैं, एंड मेरे को सारे रिव्यूज़ देना है. तो देन दैट इज़ हाउ ही केम अप विद व्लॉगिंग. सो एक्चुअली आई थॉट ऑफ गिफ्ट रैपिंग हिज गिफ्ट्स, बिकॉज there are lots of gift wrappers that I have with me. I still remember that once I was taking suggestions from him. I wanted to buy a speaker for myself when I was earning for the first time, and I just wanted something for myself. So I thought of speaker. So obviously I started off with JBL Go. And he was like, oh Purnika, you are interested in music, you should buy something better. It's something like a lifelong thing. I was like, okay, probably JBL Flip. He was like, no, let's see the Pulse, see JBL Pulse, it has lots of lights and its bass is awesome, and when you listen music in that, it's so groovy and you'll just enjoy the ambience. I usually stay alone, like I majority of time stayed alone for last 5-6 years. I always had my own personal space, I had my room, I had my complete house, so that if I need to dance at 3 a.m. also, there's nobody that I would disturb. So for me, the speaker was very important, because that was something which was my constant entertainment factor at my home. So he was like, Go was coming at around 3k or so, and Pulse was like 8.59k. So at that time when I was earning for the first time 6-7 years back, for me spending 8.5k was huge. But then I don't know, I think so music is something which is very sensitive topic for me. You can ask me to do anything if you link it with some music related stuff or something. So I was like, cool, I'll buy. And that is how he made me buy Pulse. And honestly, I've been using that Pulse for 6 years now, and it's still a constant. The quality, the performance, nothing has changed. So at that moment when you buy with him, you'll feel like, oh, come on here, I'm wasting so much. But then the things that he decides goes a long way. So these two are the gifts that are packed, which are ready. We went to Amazon filtered it with Get It Today and ordered balloons. So let's see who will blow it at the end night. So because I am busy in creating vlog. Thought of showing something to you all. This is the photograph he has of his car which he bought, and he's still using it a lot for traveling. This is the sketch I created. शुरुआत में बहुत प्यार आता था अपने ही. This was the collage I gave all his friends. A photograph where he kind of looked smarter. College last day memory, face painting memory. Then the group. This is of Timna Lake, and this is when he went for adventure sports, and obviously his family. So basically he bought an Instax. Primarily I like hard copies of photographs and I don't like digital photographs much. This kind of sounded different, so we thought let's use it, and I really had fun with Instax, but there are a lot of problems with that device nevertheless. So this was something which I actually bought for myself. 365, but then I gave it to him because he's more interested into vlogging. This was the GoPro camera. This is where the Instax, it stopped functioning, and that moment my mood became completely off. This is his laptop with an headphone, and this was again on the, if you see his vlog, the watery experience. So there when we went on the speedboat, this was somewhere the photograph was taken here. Again the Instax failed here. Then obviously the whiteboard where he thought of making plans for his vlogs. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
अरे अबले
ओह, कान में डाल दिया.
मुझे रिचुअल करेगा
चुके ले चुके.
1,00,000 के साथ बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट होगा. I'll wear this tomorrow. Thank you for these gifts. The mainstay, wide angle lens, EOS mount adapter, 10 to 18 mm wide angle lens. Okay, cool. So my gifts are unboxed.